Now I invite dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the lamp and grace the occasion. Now I invite Shambhavi Mishra, LLM student, for Saraswati Vandana.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचारसार परमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीमभयद्यां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकामभयदीं पद्मासने संस्थिता वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिं प्रदां शारदां बुद्धिं प्रदां शारदां बुद्धिं प्रदां शारदाम्.
Now I request Registrar, Indian Law Institute, to initiate convocation proceedings.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Respected Chief Justice, sir, and President, Indian Law Institute. Sir, I have the honor to request you to declare the convocation open.
I declare this convocation open.
Now I request Director, Indian Law Institute, to present the annual report.
Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Thakurji, Chief Justice of India and the President of the Indian Law Institute, Honorable Mr. D.V. Sadanand Goraji, Minister of Law and Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice Anil Ardave, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Treasurer, Indian Law Institute. Honorable Mr. Justice J.S. Kehar, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Deepak Mishra ji, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Rakesh Manjal, Senior Advocate and Vice President, Indian Law Institute. Honorable members of the Governing Council, Executive Council, Academic Council and the Finance Committee of Indian Law Institute. Honorable judges, distinguished guests, esteemed parents, my dear colleagues, other members of the Indian Law Institute community, recipients of degrees and awards, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege and honor to welcome you all on this special occasion, the convocation ceremony of the Indian Law Institute. It is our privilege that Honorable Mr. D.V. Sadanand Gora graciously accepted our invitation to be the chief guest and has joined us on this august occasion. Sir, your presence today is a source of inspiration for the recipients of degrees and all our students. I also extend a warm welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Thakur Sir, the Chief Justice of India and the President of the Indian Law Institute. On behalf of the Indian Law Institute, I would like to extend our gratitude to you, sir, for agreeing to preside over the convocation in spite of your extremely busy schedule. I would like to also thank you for your deep commitment towards the Indian Law Institute, and we are certain that with your guidance and support, we will be able to take ILI to great heights. Ladies and gentlemen, the convocation day is a proud moment because this day marks the beginning of a new phase in lives of our students, who I hope will prove to be soldiers of justice in their life pursuits. This occasion is a moment of celebration as well as reflection, of looking back and marching ahead, proudly remembering the achievements and critically reflecting on the unfinished endeavors. It is a moment of hope which the university possesses in its students, hope that the students will live up to the ideals of equality, liberty and fraternity and work for the most disadvantaged sections and peoples. Indian Law Institute was accorded the status of deemed university in the year 2004, and in all these years we have endeavored to train our students not just in doctrinal law but also harness their research skill and critical thinking. I can proudly share that many of our students are doing extremely well in their capacity of judges, lawyers and law teachers across India. I would like to place on record the efforts and wise counsel of the former directors of the institute who have been instrumental in shaping the culture of ILI. I also record with gratitude the contribution of distinguished judges, lawyers and academicians who in various capacities have extended their valuable support to the institute. The Indian Law Institute was established as a premier institute and continues to contribute to research programs and projects. Various research projects have been completed in due course in the past and many other works are in progress. In the last few years, ILI has successfully completed many research projects entrusted by various agencies of the government. These include the project assigned by National Commission for Minorities on compilation of important legal text and case laws on minority rights, a study of murder cases with effect from 1/1/2009 with an emphasis on the reasons for delay in the decision of such cases and suggest managerial solution including the management of cases. Compilation of all important judges of the Honorable Supreme Court, High Courts and Telecom Settlement in Appellate Tribunal on important questions of law relating to telecom and broadcasting sector. Functioning of Gram Nyayalayas in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Recently we have published compendium of bilateral and regional instruments, extradition and mutual legal assistance for SAARC countries. Compilation of judicial pronouncement on Panchayati Raj system in India and report on merger of tribunals in India. There are many ongoing projects with ILI, the National Investigation Agency's project on the preparation of the compendium of terrorism related cases. The project of the Ministry of Law and Justice on the development of infrastructure facilities for subordinate judiciary and the Supreme Court of India's project on the restatement of Indian law. Restatement Restatement of Indian law in public interest litigation, contempt of court and legislative privilege has already been published. The next phase of project extends to 3 other areas, namely direct indirect taxes and allied subject on taxation, second constitutional law and allied subjects, and criminal law and allied subjects. Work on those volumes is in the progress, and we hope that by the end of this year these will be published. The Indian Law Institute has also undertaken a range of training activities and conducted successful workshops on diverse subjects. The ILI conducted its first annual conference on the theme of human rights, contemporary issues and challenges on December 10, 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to emphasize that the Institute, apart from contributing to research, seeks to build a critical pedagogy that responds to the contemporary socio-legal issues. To strengthen our research capacities, a MOU was signed with the Harvard School of Public Health, Harvard University. The aim is to facilitate the collaboration on research, policy development, teaching, and professional development on international human rights law and international humanitarian law in India. Similarly, the another MOU between University of Houston, USA, and the Indian Law Institute, which was signed to establish a flexible framework for academic, research, and other collaboration, including offering specialized courses as well as a student exchange program between the University of Houston and the Indian Law Institute. Both the universities have assured to provide expert speakers to conduct short-term and long-term training programs for Indian judges and government lawyers and to collaborate on postgraduate programs. With a view to promoting comparative scholarship and exposing students and faculty alike to new ideas, the Institute has also taken the initiative to invite scholars from leading universities of the world. We have also regularly held lectures and discussions with judges, members of judicial academics on diverse themes. At different points, delegations from other jurisdictions and countries have visited the Indian Law Institute and interacted with the faculty and students. The faculty of ILI has also on many occasions visited national and international universities and delivered lectures. The ILI faculty has been contributing to legal research and scholarship in the form of books, monographs, and journal articles in national and international journals. The faculty members have also been spearheading various research projects undertaken by the Institute. The Institute also encourages participation of the faculty in conferences, workshops, and seminars, both at the national and international level. We believe that academic freedom produces research and teaching excellence, and therefore the Institute seeks to create an academic milieu which is conducive to a scholar's growth. I also want to record that Indian Law Institute has to its credit many regular publications. The Journal of the Indian Law Institute is a quarterly journal and contains research articles on topics of current importance. Every year, ILI brings out a prestigious publication in the form of Annual Survey of Indian Law, in which the latest trends in every branch of law importance are presented. There are many other subject-specific titles which the Institute will release soon. Indian Law Institute's library is one of the leading law libraries in Asia and attracts scholars from all over the world for legal research. The Indian Law Institute has digitized the ILI publication, and rare documents of the library are under the process of digitization. The Institute has released some material on its website and is in the process of releasing the rare documents and law reports in the next phase. The access to ILI digital library is free of cost. To provide better service to physically disabled students, the library has procured the latest technical facilities. The assistive devices for the benefit of reading, writing, and listening to provide equal opportunity to differently abled students available in the library. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards the Ministry of Law and Justice, which has increased the grant to the Institute from 1 crore to 5.33 crores. This, I believe, will significantly broaden our research goals and will enable us to expand our academic pursuits. I also want to put on record the relentless effort of the administrative staff of ILI, who ensured the smooth functioning of the Institute, and concerted efforts of faculty and students that are directed at contributing to legal scholarship. Our objective is and has been to make ILI more inclusive and accessible such that the promise of social justice is not reduced to any empty rhetoric but informs the culture of ILI. Before I conclude, I would like to congratulate the recipients of degrees and medals. I am sure that the students of ILI would make the best use of their education and will strive hard and work towards a fair and just society. I hope they will be successful in using law as an empowering tool in the service of the marginalized and the poorest section of the society. This success will be the real success of the Indian Law Institute. With these words, I conclude my report. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your brief annual report. Now it's a proud moment for the students and their parents for getting their degrees. And for this, I request again Director, Indian Law Institute, first to present the awardees of PhD degrees.
Three students are there, all right. Sir, I present to you the students of the PhD program of the Indian Law Institute, whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Law, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the President of the Indian Law Institute, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy of this university, and I charge you that ever in your life, thought, action and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of the same.
Now I request Kausar to come on dais.
Supposed to go?
सर अभी कुछ नहीं करना, अभी कुछ नहीं करना. सर को पढ़ना है.
Thank you. Now I would like to request Registrar, Indian Law Institute, to present the candidates for the award of gold medals.
Sir, I present the candidates of LLM 2012-2015 for the award of gold medals, merit certificates by the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Thakur. And I now read the names. Ms. Devadatta Mukherjee, overall topper, late Sri Vishwanath Prasad Medal. Mr. Jasbir Singh, overall topper 2014-15, Sri Vishwanath Prasad, gold medal. Miss Kimmi Singhal, 2010-12, overall topper. Mr. R.K. Anand, gold medal. Miss Navditya Tanwar, 2010-12, best researcher and topper in criminal law, late Sri M.K. Nambiar medal and Professor K.N.C. Pillai medal. Miss Meera Matthew, 2011-13, overall topper and best researcher, R.K. Anand medal and late Sri M.K. Nambiar medal. Mr. Samarth Agrawal, 2011-13, topper in jurisprudence, P.P. Rao medal. Mr. Vishal Induraksha, 2011-13, topper in criminal law, Professor K.N.C. Pillai medal. Miss Isha Wadhwa, 2012-14, overall topper, R.K. Anand medal. Miss Neenu Suresh, 2012-14, the best researcher, late Sri M.K. Nambiar medal. Miss Aditi Dalakoti, 2012-14, topper in human rights, P.P. Rao medal. Mr. Amit Raj Agrawal, 2012-14, topper in criminal law, Professor K.N.C. Pillai medal. Miss Harshita Vasayan, 2013-15, overall topper and topper in criminal law, R.K. Anand medal and Professor K.N.C. Pillai medal. Mr. K. Ganesh Raj, 2013-15, best researcher, late Sri M.K. Nambiar medal. Miss Shreya Mittal, 2013-15, topper in jurisprudence, P.P. Rao medal. Okay, gold medal हो गया, gold medal हो गया, LLM merit certificate. Now LLM merit certificates. Mr. Victor Vaibhav Tandon, merit certificate. हाँ, merit certificate. 2010-13. Mr. Rohit, 2011 and 14. Mr. Sudipto Banerjee, 2012-15.
Now I request Dr. Vandana, Faculty of Law, to present the LLM candidates for the conferment of degree. All candidates for the degree of LLM, please rise. Sir, I present you the students of LLM program of the Indian Law Institute whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Laws, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the President of the Indian Law Institute, I admit you to the degree of Master of Laws of this university, and I charge you that ever in your life, thought, action and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of the same.
I now present the LLM degree to be awarded. Mr. Arpit Jain, 2013-14. Meenakshi Sharma, 2000. Meenakshi Sharma, 2013-14. She's not there. Sunil Arya, 2013-14. Deepika Kamboj, 2013-14. K. Lalrindhiki, 2013-14. Manoj Kumar, Manoj Kumar, 2013-14. Abhishek Tripathi, 2013-14. Yashika Chokar, 2013-14. Pranami Bhatta, 2013-14. Sumit Chaudhary, 2013-14. Karthikeyan N.S., 2013-14. Ramchandra Orao, 2013-14. Anurag Deepak Verma, 2013-14. Mehpara, 2013-14. Vikram Dubey, 2013-14. Swati Solanki, 2013-14. Karunesh Shukla, 2013-14. Prakash Sharma, 2013-14. Aditi Malhotra, 2013-14. Shivangi Sachdeva, 2014-15. Kriti Parashar, 2014-15. Muhammad Ramizur Rahman, 2014-15. Nidhi Minj, 2014-15. V.A. Vijayanand, 2014-15. Payal Singhal, Nidhi Minj, कौन क्या नाम? What is it? V.A. Vijayanand? V.A. Vijayanand? हाँ. Nikhil Ranjan, Amit Chaudhary, 2014-15. Premansu Meena, 2014-15. Sandeep, 2014-15. Monica Nahar, 2014-15. Rishi Kumar, 2014-15. Sheetal Sachdeva, 2014-15. Amrita Chakravarti, 2014-15. Ankita Singh, 2014-15.
Sir, thank you so much for your valuable time. Now I request Honorable Union Minister for Law and Justice, Shri D.V. Sadananda Gowda, to present the LLM degrees to the other students.
Abhishek Kumar Pandey, 2010-12. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ यस है. अथिउर रहमान खान, 2010-12. मनीष चहर, 2010-12. नसीमुद्दीन, 2010-12. S. Mercy Deborah, 2010-12. Sudhir Yadav, 2010-12. Gyan Jariat Floor P, 2010-12. Anuranjan Sharma, 2010-12. Apurva Kulkarni Sharma, 2010-12. Naptika, 2010-12. Avinash Chari, Alok Kumar, 2010-12. Alok Kumar. Avinash Chari, this is Alok Kumar. Avinash Chari, 2010-12. Sumiti Ahuja, Tushti Chopra, 2010-12. Nishant Kumar, 2010-12. Balaji P. Sholaraja M. Not here. Saransh Jain. Shalini Naval. Rohit Arora. Bubha Mrunyal Dattatreya. क्या कौन सा है? काजल भाटी, निखिल कश्यप, विश्वतोष धर, प्रतीक देओल, संकल्प जैन, अविनाश चिमांका, बरखत रेहान, प्रियंका गांधी,
Thank you so much, sir. Now I invite Mr. Justice, Honorable Justice Anil R. Bhuve to kindly award the LLM degree.
Ms. Deepika Priyadarshini. Abhijit Dwivedi. Preeti Giri. Preeti Giri. Jyotima Nagvanshi. Priya Mittal. Anjali Prabhakaran. Virendra Vikram. Shabina Yasmin. Aditi Singh. Lovelin Sharma. Shima Saini. Okay. Shima Saini. Tripti Arora. Not here. Vipul P. Shangi. Guru Prakash. Anjali Prabhakaran. क्या है कौन सा? सुशांत गुरु प्रकाश हो गया। सुशांत रोचलानी। शर्मिला आर। सीमा सिंह नहीं है। सीमा सिंह नॉट हियर। भंवर आदित्य जड़ोन। रवीश कुमार गोयल। गौरव अरोरा। उत्कर्ष वर्मा। संदीप मल्लिक। संदीप मल्लिक नहीं है। सोनिया। शौर्य आनंद सिंह। अपूर्व सर्वरीय। जितेंद्र सिंह। स्वाति सिंह सच्चन। शैलेंद्र कुमार निर्मल, दीपक वत्स, साची चौधरी, शिल्पी यादव, अरुल वर्मा, श्री कृष्ण, पूनम अटे, जे जनानी।
Thank you so much, sir.
सर,
So thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I request all you to give a big loud of applause for all the students who have getting. Now I request Honorable Judge Justice J.S. Kehar to please present the LLM degrees.
गारिमा गोस्वामी, सैयद मोहम्मद शाहनवाज, आरुष पठानिया, सैयद अकीब अली, दीपिका सिंह, स्वागता चांगमाई, किशले सोनी, उदयन कुमार गौतम, ऋचा चतुर्वेदी, लालुन थंगाई, प्रियंका चौधरी, सुदीप कुमार सकेत, आगे सुदीप कुमार सकेत, अमिता, ज्योत्सना सिंह, संदीप कश्यप दास, दुष्यंत कुमार मीना, वहादुद्दीन, शिवेंद्र कुमार मिश्रा, आरुषि बात्रा, आरुषि बात्रा, अंकिता बैनर्जी, श्रुति श्रेष्ठ, जयति चंद्रा, रंजना दुबे, अमित घोष, गुरमीत नेहरा, सुकन्या सिंघा, साजिया सिद्दीकी, उदय प्रताप सिंह, चिंटू जैन, रणरीता हिलोरी, अर्पण शर्मा, अमित, कोंकन्या श्रावण कुमार, कुशाल यादव,
Thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. I know it is a tedious process, but all the students would like to get their degrees from the justice and all from the dais. That's why we are troubling you all. Now I request Justice Deepak Mishra, Judge Supreme Court.
विपुल दुबे, आनंद विकास मिश्रा, अविनाश कुमार, फैजल नसीम, वैभव मेहता, सतीश कुमार सिंह, अनिल कुमार विश्वकर्मा, पूनम हवाशिन, श्रीदेवी पानीकर, श्रीदेवी पानीकर, पुनीत सिंह बिंद्रा, गौतम कुमार महतो, ज्योतिका बहल, मेघा नागपाल, योगेंद्र कुमार वर्मा, महेंद्रपाल अरोरा, प्रकाश गौतम, बी लालपेकिमी, रामचरण, शिखा साइनी, सुरभि पांडे, रितिका सिंघल, भावना रितिका सिंघल, भावना मेहरोत्रा, खुशबू कुमारी, नेहा निमेश, कमल कुमार आर्या, सुकृति यज्ञेश, राहुल मोहद, सुकृति यज्ञेश, राहुल मोहद, राहुल मोहद, प्रभाश्री सेन, देवेश त्रिपाठी, विशाल शर्मा, विजय कुमार आवाना, क्वाट्रोलाइन क्वाराटोलेन, सॉरी, अनीशा जॉनी,
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and gracing this occasion. Now I would like to invite Mr. Rakesh Munjal, Senior Advocate and also Vice President of Indian Law Institute, to present the LLM degree.
अभिनव कुमार मिश्रा, सौरभ कुमार गौतम, संजय सैनी, अदिति चौधरी, नेहा चौहान, बी भावना राव, रुपेश चंद्र माधव, मिनी श्रीवास्तव, प्रशांत खटाना, जसीर अशरफ मीर, नेहा, समीर मुखोपाध्याय, जसबीर सिंह बजाज, देवेंद्र कुमार गोयल, प्रमोद सिंह, अभिनव आहलवत, सुजीत कुमार, इशिता शुरन, अदनान इरशाद, विनिका कीहो, गारिमा शुक्ला, हरप्रीत कौर, सत्यम थरेजा, ऋषिकेश झा, सालू सिन्हा, ध्रुव मल्लिक, संदीप जिंदल, गुरुदेव साहिल, अक्षय गोयल, अजय कुमार शर्मा, सौरभ पांडे, गजेंद्र कुमार गोस्वामी,
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Anurag Deep, sir, for faculty in the Law Institute, to present the candidates for the postgraduate diploma to the Director in the Law Institute.
all candidates for the postgraduate diploma, please rise at your respective places.
Just to speak, and then I speak. I go ahead. I speak.
Sir, I present you the students of PG diploma programs of the Indian Law Institute whose names are set out in the list and who have been examined and found qualified for the diploma of postgraduate, to which I pray that they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the president of the institute, I admit you all to the postgraduate diploma in various courses of this university, and I charge you that ever in your life, thought, action and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir. Now it is again the time for awarding the gold medal to the PG diploma students. So now I request Registrar Indian Law Institute to present the candidates of PG diploma in various courses for the award of gold medals. And for this I request Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowda, Honorable Union Minister for Law and Justice, to come forward.
(2012-15) for the award of gold medal, merit certificates for alternative dispute resolution, corporate laws and management, cyber laws, human rights laws, environmental laws and management, intellectual property rights laws, international trade law, labor law, security and banking laws and tax laws by the Honorable Indian Law Minister Mr. D. Sadananda Gowda, Vice President, Indian Law Institute. Mr. Apurva Upamanyu. Ms. Tanya Khanna. Mr. Vivek Malhotra. Mr. Prabhat Kumar. Ms. Sonali Mitra. कौन सा कर्नल अरविंद ऋषि, कौन सा प्रखर शर्मा, दिव्या चूग, सुचेता मिश्रा, दिव्या चूग, सुचेता, which one? Sure. पहले से कौन सा सुचेता मिश्रा, प्रिया, मिस प्रिया, मिस्टर महानुभव राजेंद्र, Mr. Amit Kumar Pandey. Sir, I present the merit certificates for PG diploma. Miss Chandni Malhotra. क्या है? कौन सा? कहाँ पे? पुलिस स्टाफ ने दिया नहीं ना मुझे, आप ले गए थे. मिस अमृता. मिस चांदनी मालहोत्रा. मिस्टर संजीव गुलाती. अमृता का सर्टिफिकेट. मिस्टर संजीव गुलाती. संजीव गुलाती. मिस्टर अक्षत. मिस्टर अक्षत गुप्ता. मिस्टर अक्षत गुप्ता. मिस्टर गौरव पुरी. मिस्टर गौरव पुरी. मिस्टर अमोद कुमार दलेला. मिस तवलीन कौर मोही. मिस्टर मनोज सेठी. मिस्टर शशांक गुप्ता. मिस्टर ललित कुमार जैन. ललित कुमार जैन. मिस्टर आशीष खंडेलवाल.
Thank you so much, sir. It is indeed a proud moment and privilege for all the students to have received their degrees from the dais. And now I request Registrar to place the record of degrees that has been conferred, including the names of candidates receiving their degrees in absentia before the Honorable Chief Justice of India, President ILI. Thank you, sir. Now I request Registrar, Indian Law Institute, to invite Honorable Chief Justice of India to deliver the Presidential Address.
Respected the Chief Justice of India and President Indian Law Institute, sir, I have the honor to request you to deliver the Presidential Address.
Honorable Shri D.V. Sadanand Gowda ji, Minister for Law and Justice, my esteemed brother judges, Justice Dave, Justice Keher, Justice Deepak Mishra, Shri Rakesh Munjal, Vice President of the ILI, Honorable Ministers, members of Governing Council, Executive Council, Academic Council and Finance Committee, ILI, distinguished guests, members of the ILI, recipients of degrees and awards, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. This convocation marks a fabulous moment in your life, your achievement of what you have sought and worked for. It has been made possible because of your teachers, your parents, your friends, all those who supported you through this period, including all those who made you experience and assimilate the many dimensions of the human personality. You carry today a degree and or a medal for a livelihood and a future lit up with hope. You do this with a sparkle and a laugh for a starry future on the strength of the brand value of your degree, namely an Indian Law Institute degree. All this is well deserved and I am privileged to share your happiness. But then, what after this? This degree puts you into the future market of probably the most valuable commodity in India today, namely a job or a profession. This is a volatile market because your degrees take you to many folks in the road to a career. The world is your oyster as you weigh between being a civil service officer, a judicial officer, a litigation lawyer, a corporate lawyer, hopefully a public service lawyer, and above all, a law teacher and an excellent researcher. A volatile economy of a youthful India coping with leapfrogging global technology seems to say that the only constant is change. But no matter how your mind romances the future and where it takes you, there are certain constants in this changing scenario. Let me attempt to put across to you some of them. First is, no matter what is the work, give it your best. The work may be grand or small, dull or scintillating, tedious or challenging. The constant is to do it well with your heart and soul. The second is not to do this out of fear or a drive for recognition as your sole goal. Qualitative work from your trained talent is not the outcome of a brooding pressure that someone is looking at what you are doing. At the most, it may temporarily check something wrong that you may like to do for quick lucrative advantage or to even outscore with someone you do not like. When you sense yourself at that point, then the only question you should ask yourself is, will I do it if my mother were here? Policing is essential in your distrustful world to protect the honest from mischief, but it is not a cradle for devotion and excellence from within you. Another attraction is prominence instead of performance. To be on the front page and editorial columns of newspapers, to be flashed on channels and to be put on the front covers, or to be certified by the hoily-poily of the socializing intellectual circuit. Performance like truth speaks for itself. If it needs the crutches of organized prominence, then it is neither. Hence it is nice to be candid about yourself with yourself. Ultimately, no one is a better judge of you than you yourself.
It is being within you to hear that ever-present inner voice that innately tells you what is right and what is wrong. So no matter which fork in the career road you take, what matters is whether you function as a human being firm on principles, adaptable to disciplined change, and constantly striving to leave things better than what they were when you started. The third is an ethic of public responsibility. You know, in our country, it means using your analytical skills to constantly appraise the larger consequences for others of what you do. This is the ethic of caring, and it is not based on quid pro quo or economic calculation. Your parents did not enter into an advanced calculation in bringing you up to what you are today. Economics is essential for avoiding wastage and ensuring efficiency. It is not the foundation of human concern and care. That remains beyond the empirical and the combined movement of law and economics. It means giving voice to the voiceless and the oppressed, instead of taking cover under the legal formulation that those who do not know what they have or what they are entitled to can never know what has been taken away from them. This ethic requires you to stand up for justice in whatever you do. Its byproduct is your continuing happiness. You are connected to the world, internet or no internet. How does one live with this ethic and achieve it? Let me quickly mention three things: title or status, time management and imagination. All of you will be great achievers which will get you important titles, status and facilities. These are a public trust, and anyhow a title or status is meant to be used only if and when the need for discipline arises. Its power is not meant to swell your head, throw your weight around and put it to illegitimate use. Carry your achievements humbly and humanly. Life is never honey and marigolds. It is a transition, but it is a precious transition. This makes every moment of it invaluable. Savor it, enjoy it by managing your time, including the capability to manage emergent situations. And all this is a hearty, creative laugh if you imagine. The poet's mind, the painter's stroke, the musician's note, the sculptor's touch, the actor's portrayal, or the fashion model's walk bespeak a blossoming that captures the mind and furthers it into a transcendental controlled emotion. So imagine yourself and your work, join yourself and others into it, and you with them by caring. I congratulate all of you, your parents and families. God bless you, and may He be with you always. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable guidance, and also I hope that all of us will hold it in true spirit. It's really an inspiring speech, sir. And now I request Registrar, Indian Law Institute, to invite Chief Guest to deliver the convocation address.
Respected Chief Guest, sir, the Honorable Union Minister of Law and Justice, sir, I have the honor to request you to deliver the convocation address.
Chief Justice of India and the President of Indian Law Institute, Honorable Mr. Justice T.S. Thakur, Honorable Judges of Supreme Court, Shri Justice Anil Dave, Justice J.S. Kehar, Justice Deepak Mishra, Honorable Vice President, Senior Advocate, Honorable Rakesh Manjil, Registrar, Director, Honorable Judges, distinguished guests, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor and privilege to participate in the fourth convocation of the Indian Law Institute. The stars of the convocation today are indeed the graduating students. So I would like to take a special privilege in congratulating all the graduating students present over here with a special word of congratulations to those who have received the medals.
I would also like to extend my greetings to the proud parents who will ever cherish the memories of this day with much greater fondness than the graduating students. I am happy to note that Indian Law Institute is empowering the young minds with the socially relevant legal education, skill and ability, and inculcates in them the values of professionalism. It is my privilege to address such an august congregation present here comprising a rich group of illustrious academicians and erudite scholars. The scholars will be going out into the world with one of the most valued degree in the world. It is because the Indian Law Institute has the unique character and distinction of being convergence of the three branches of government, the executive, the legislature and the judiciary. The Indian Law Institute is a signature on the road of the legal education whose origin were enriched by the inaugural function blessed by none other than the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, in the gracious presence of first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice S.R. Das. Since its momentous birth in 1956, the Institute has been amongst the leading centers of legal research in our country. The deemed university status has further augmented its profile manifold. Pandit Nehru's virtuous wishes on the event are recalled at the Institute as cherished memories of a stirring tribute and recognition of the men and women of the law. He had envisioned the Institute as an instrument to make it invaluable contribution to the advancement of modern welfare state. I am happy to note that the Institute is aiming at cultivating the science of law, promoting advanced studies and research in law so as to meet the social, economic and other needs of Indian people, encouraging and conducting investigations in legal and allied fields and imparting instructions in law. I am also happy to note that the Institute is working to uphold the sacred object of imparting legal education as justice education to transform the young minds as a human resource for providing justice, social, economic and political, the cornerstone of Indian Constitution. Father of our nation Mahatma Gandhi expressed his views on education, and I quote here, "What is really required to make democracy function is not knowledge of facts but right to education." The quality of governance in democracy depends largely on the capabilities and vision of the people who occupy the institutions of governance. Education empowers the people and equips their leaders with the capabilities and capacities needed for good governance. It is you scholars and academicians who are ultimately going to make the real difference to the quality of governance. Education impacts a nation's level of democracy, and legal education affects the very essence of modern democratic society, that is rule of law. Law is the critical instrumentality both for preservation of society and its evolution to higher levels of existence. History tells us that whenever these principles are undermined, fractures weaken the structure of the edifice. Therefore, it is imperative that we dedicate ourselves to the rule of law in letter and spirit. It is the spirit, not in the form of law, that keeps justice alive. Legal education gives you a chance to be leaders of tomorrow, to play a significant role not only in the development of the policies in our great country, but also to play an important part in the development of the Committee of Nations. Legal education is a vital link in the creation of knowledge concepts as well as the application of such concepts in society. The need for trained law personnel in academia, litigation, corporate practice, government and civil society has increased significantly over the last few years and is expected to rise exponentially in the years to come. The degree that are conferred on you today are neither merely a formal mark of education nor the mere recognition of voluminous, memorized and absorbed ideas. They represent holistically the awareness and wisdom that you are gained from your scholarly endeavors. Good education secures a sense of equity, preserving individuality with diversity. Knowledge with capabilities to make its proper and profitable use for entire mankind makes it a potent tool of human development, particularly in the information age. Legal education also addresses the mutual relationship between law and society with its different actors, institutions and processes. Law is created and put into practice through societal processes. At the same time, law affects and affects social change. Beyond this, law is further understood to constitute social institutions such as the polity, family, property, corporation, crime, and even the individual. The study of law and other specializations in the social sciences are thus closely interwoven. Social, cultural and political opportunities in any culture are determined at least in part by legal rights and the ability to realize them. There is a Talmudic saying that scholars create peace in the world. I found this to be deeply true. I firmly believe scholars need to rethink about their mission and their relationship to society in every generation. The legitimate aim of education is to promote the major values of democratic society and to reduce the number of moral mavericks who do not share democratic preferences. So that is what I want from all of you. I want you all to stay true to the most real, most sincere, most authentic part of yourselves. I want to ask you these fundamental questions. Who do you want to be? What inspires you? How do you want to give back? And then I want you to take a deep breath and trust yourselves to plan your own course and create your mark on the world. One thing I would like to tell you before your departure from ILI is that the road ahead is not going to be easy. Law is a great profession, but not the easy one. The world won't always see you in those hoods and robes. I expect you all to believe in your capabilities while facing the challenges of life. We need the best and brightest of your generation to lead in government and in business. You will have to use the professional tools to shape the law and tailor it to the needs of an evolving society in a world of unimaginable when we sat there where you are now sitting. I believe that an institution that has values and acts on them can really change the world, and an individual can too. That can be you, that must be you. Scholars, your values matter. The moral law within yourself must command you to make the highest possible good in the world the finest objectives of all our conduct. Convocation is a landmark in the lives of your students, and now your motto of life should be Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritangamaya, which means lead me from the unreal to the real, from the darkness to light, and from the death to immortality. Let temples of learning such as help unfold the Indian intellect to greater and still greater heights of knowledge, and let us work together to enable an individual to realize his full potential so as to contribute the cause of nation building. Have the courage to decide for yourself what is right and what is wrong, and make firm commitment to the good cause so as to convert your dreams into reality. Never stop learning. This is your world. Thank you, degree holders. May God bless you. Once again, I congratulate you all.
Thank you, sir. And I hope that all of us will be taking your words, and with commitment, students will be moving forward. And now we are approaching the last stage of the convocation, that is the dissolution of convocation. For this, I request Registrar, Indian Law Institute, to request Honorable Chief Justice of India, President, Indian Law Institute, to dissolve.
Respected the Chief Justice of India and President, the Indian Law Institute, sir, I request you to dissolve the convocation.
I dissolve this convocation.
Now I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. Now the academic procession will now leave the hall. I request for the marching tune, please. Now the procession will take the reverse order. All the governing council members, executive committee members, faculties, please come forward. Now I request all of you to join us for high tea at the atrium. Thank you.
All the ILI staff who has been assigned to distribute degrees at the counter, please come and please go at your respective counters at the registration desk. ILI staff who has been assigned to distribute the PG diploma degrees. PG diploma students, kindly collect your degrees.